in this tutorial I would like to show you 3 methods to group objects in Inkscape. Okay, so first we need to do is create 2 new objects. So I will create here a rectangle and I will create here a circle. Now if you want to group these objects, you need to go to selector tool and then you need to select both objects. After that you need to click on object and you will see here a lot of really useful settings, but we are interested in to group these objects, so we select here group. And like you see, our objects have been successfully grouped here. The second option to group these objects is select both objects, and after that you can go to object and here you have something like group. You need to select this option and the effect will be the same. And the last method is to select rectangle and circle, and then you can use shortcut from your keyboard. The shortcut to group is Ctrl G. So I click Ctrl G and now you can see that the objects have been grouped. I hope these methods helped you to group objects in Inkscape. If I solved your problem, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel because it really supports my work. And it's everything for today. Thanks you for watching.